Yeah, man. Me name Mr. Nobody, aka Knowledgeable True Virgin. The story about Mr. Nobody is in my book, Earth. Now, I'm gonna teach you the most important lesson you ever learn about health. If you know too much, this video is not for you. If you have an empty cup, you can learn something. Now, yes, class. Today is November the 14th, 2026. Teacher, nature, group 8, that's group 7 plus the chosen one who choose themselves as the one. The ultimate cure for any disease. Number one, movements of the body and intentional breathing. Number two, minerals from your catch spring water. It will also allow other minerals to travel or flow within the body. The spring you catch and fruit water is the ultimate water for your body. 3. Herbal remedies. In bracket will now work because it has the right water to transport it, or I say transportation. 4. Eat live foods, fruits as much as possible, which its colors has changed by the natural sun that cooks it. Note briefly, everything in the body is a flow in movement. No movement in the physical or water, blood or minerals, nothing will stay alive by staying still, dead, and stagnant. Yours kind regards, the True Virgin family. Of course, the person behind the camera is important. That's Empress True Virgin. No, all I'm saying, when your shit is not moving, that's constipation. When your blood is not moving, that's blood clot. When your heart is not moving, your heart attack you. That's heart attack. When your sperms is not moving, that's low sperms count. When your urine is not moving, that's stoppage of water. And the list goes on. Keep moving. Peace. Knowledgeable. True virgin. Yeah, man.